How to build a client-aligned maintenance calendar across time zones. Running maintenance during a client's business hours is a fast way to disrupt operations and damage trust. A well-designed maintenance calendar ensures patching, updates, and backups run at the right time regardless of your client's location. In this video, we'll show how to build a client-aligned maintenance calendar that respects time zones and operating hours. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Planning your maintenance calendar. When clients operate in different time zones, a well-planned maintenance calendar is crucial to avoid operational disruptions. There are two key steps you can take to create a functional calendar. Map client operating hours and time zones. The first step is to map the operating hours of all your clients. During this step, make sure to note what their respective time zones are and whether they observe daylight saving time. Once you've collected the relevant information, store it in a centralized database such as a PSA, documentation platform, or RMM custom fields. Define the right maintenance windows. Next, identify the optimal maintenance window for your clients. The best schedule will vary between clients, but typically, maintenance windows can be set before or after operating hours or on weekends to minimize impact. Implementing your maintenance calendar. After you've planned your maintenance schedules, the next step is to implement them across clients. The fastest method is to use an RMM platform, Intune, or SCCM console to configure and enforce maintenance windows automatically. This step automates scheduling, but be mindful of setting time zones as incorrect configurations can cause complications. Other considerations. There are other things you can apply to your maintenance calendar so it becomes more effective, including reducing risk with offset scheduling. Instead of deploying updates immediately, introduce a deliberate delay, also known as offset scheduling. For example, schedule patches a few days after release, then let them install during the next maintenance window. This gives time for testing and reduces the risk of widespread instability. Communicating the calendar to clients. Share the maintenance calendar with clients using read-only access and automate notifications such as 72-hour previews, 1-hour alerts, and post-maintenance reports. Document all schedules, exceptions, and execution history to support audits, quarterly business reviews, and compliance requirements. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to build a client-aligned maintenance calendar across time zones, linked in the description below.